Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursing Verse K. Today we will discuss about the most important topic ORS MCQ. Let's start. The main purpose of ORS is option A to stop diarrhea, option B to prevent the dehydration, option C to increase the appetite, option D to stop vomiting. The answer is option B to prevent the dehydration. ORS does not cure the diarrhea. It replaces loss of fluids and electrolytes, preventing the dehydration. So the answer is option B. Next, WHO World Health Organization ORS contains which carbohydrate sources? Option A glucose, option B sucrose, option C fructose, option D starch. The answer is option A glucose. Glucose helps in sodium and water absorption in the intestine via co-transport. So the answer is option A glucose. Next, the total osmolarity of WHO ORS according to 2002 formula 245 milliosmol per liter, option B 311 milliosmol per liter, option C 200 milliosmol per liter, option D 350 milliosmol per liter. The answer is option A 254 milliosmol per liter. The reduced osmolarity ORS is recommended by the WHO and the UNICEF. So the answer is option A 245. Next, ORS should be discarded after 6 hours, option B 12 hours, option C 24 hours, option D 48 hours. ORS should be discarded after the 24 hours. Option C is the correct answer. ORS is a prone to bacterial contamination. Unused solution should be discarded after the 24 hours. Next, the main principle of ORS therapy is option A passive diffusion, option B sodium glucose co-transport, option C active transport of water, option D osmotic gradient. The answer is option B sodium glucose co-transport, because ORS uses glucose to enhance sodium and water absorption in the gut. So the answer is option B. Next, one standard WHO ORS packet is to be dissolved in 500 ml water, option B 750 ml water, option C 1 liter water, option D 2 liters water. The answer is option C 1 liter water. Each ORS packet is standardized for 1 liter of clean drinking water. 1 liter of clean drinking water. So the answer is option C. Next, which of the following is not a component of WHO ORS 2002? According to 2002, option A sodium chloride, option B potassium chloride, option C sodium bicarbonate, option D thiosodium citrate. The answer is option C, sodium bicarbonate. New formulation replaced bicarbonate with thiosodium citrate for the better stability. So we didn't use the sodium bicarbonate. So the answer is option C. Next, the glucose concentration in WHO ORS according to 2022 is option A 20 gram per liter, option B 30.5 gram per liter, option C 25 gram per liter, option D 10 gram per liter. The answer is option B 13.5 gram per liter. Correct glucose concentration helps avoid the osmotic diarrhea. So the answer is option B. Next, the sodium content in WHO ORS is option A 19 millimole per liter, option B 75 millimole per liter, option C 60 millimole per liter, option D 50 millimole per liter. The answer is option B 75 millimole per liter. Because reduced osmolarity, ORS has 75 millimole per liter and sodium previous 90 millimole per liter. Before 90 and now it was 75. So the answer is option B. Next, which patient is the best candidate for ORS therapy? Option A severe dehydration, option B mild to moderate dehydration, option C shock due to blood loss, option D comatose patient. The answer is option B mild to moderate dehydration. ORS is indicated for the mild and moderate dehydration due to diarrhea. Severe causes require the IV fluid. In severe we give IV fluids. So the answer is option B. Next, homemade ORS recipe recommended by UNICEF includes 1 tablespoon salt plus 8 tablespoon sugar and in 1 liter water. Option B 2 tablespoon salt plus 2 tablespoon sugar in 1 liter of water. Option C 1 tablespoon salt plus 1 tablespoon sugar in 1 liter. Option D half tablespoon salt plus 1 tablespoon sugar in 200 ml water. The answer is option A 1 tablespoon salt plus 8 tablespoon sugar in 1 liter of the water, because this formula provides adequate sodium and glucose balance. So the answer is option A. Next, in cholera patients, the preferred fluids is option A IV glucose, option B homemade Lamont, option C WHO ORS, option D Ringer's lactate only. The answer is option C WHO ORS. ORS is the highly effective in replacing the large fluid losses in cholera. So the answer is option C. Next, the potassium concentration in WHO ORS according to 2002 is option A 10 millimole per liter, option B 15 millimole per liter, option C 20 millimole per liter, option D 25 millimole per liter. The answer is option C 20 millimole per liter. Potassium replacement prevents the hypokalemia in diarrhea patient. So the answer is option C. Next, which ORS component prevents the metabolic acidosis? Option A, sodium chloride. Option B, potassium chloride. Option C, glucose. Option D, trisodium citrate. The answer is option D, trisodium citrate. Citrates acts as a base precursor correcting the acid base acidosis. So the answer is option D. Next, which condition is contraindication for ORS? Option A, mild dehydration. Option B, severe persistent vomiting. Option C, moderate dehydration. Option D, cholera. The answer is option B, severe persisting vomiting. Such patient cannot retain the ORS orally because he or she is doing the continuous vomiting. So if he or she intake the ORS, immediately this will go out through the vomiting. So we have to use the IV fluids. So the answer is option B. Next, ORS prevents dehydration mainly by option A, reducing the intestinal motility. Option B, increasing kidney absorption. Option C, enhancing intestinal absorption. Option D, acting as an antibiotic. The answer is option C, enhancing intestinal absorption, because ORS promotes fluid absorption in the small intestine. Next, in chloride concentration in WHO ORS is 2022 is option A 55 millimole per liter, option B 65 millimole per liter, option C 75 millimole per liter, option D 90 millimole per liter. The answer is option B, 65 millimole per liter, the chloride. Next, which of the following is the most common causes of dehydration in children requiring ORS? Option A, malaria. Option B, pneumonia. Option C, acute diarrhea. Option D, typhoid. The answer is option C, acute diarrhea. Next, ORS is especially important in treating the option A, protein deficiency. Option B, diarrheal disease. Option C, iron deficiency anemia. Option D, worm infestation. The answer is option B, diarrheal disease. Next, if ORS solution tastes very salty, it means too little salt was added. Option B, too much salt was added. Option C, too much sugar was added. It is correct. Option B is the correct answer. Too much salt was added. Due to this, the taste was very salty. So when it was shown the taste like very much salty, don't use the ORS, because excessive salt can worsen the dehydration and causes the hypernatremia. So never use that. The answer is option B. Next, the principle behind giving the frequent small sips of ORS to children is option A, to improve the appetite. Option B, to prevent the vomiting. Option C, to prevent the excess urination. Option D, to reduce the sweating. The answer is option B, to prevent the vomiting. If we are giving more in at a time, the patient or the children can doing the vomiting. But if we give the sip, the patient will not vomit. So the answer is option B. Next, ORS should be given after every loose stool in children with diarrhea. The recommended volume for children under 2 years is option A 50 to 100 ml, option B 100 to 200 ml, option C 200 to 400 ml, option D as much as possible. Never give as much as possible. No, don't give 200 to 400 ml. When the patient is under 2 years, only give the 50 to 100 ml. So the answer is option A. Next, ORS is most effective in reducing mortality from diarrhea due to option A preventing shock, option B killing bacteria, option C curing diarrhea, option D stopping the vomiting. The answer is option A preventing the shock. Next, the shelf life of an unopened ORS packet is usually option A 3 months, option B 6 months, option C 1 year, option D 2 years. The answer is option D 2 years. Next, low osmolarity ORS was introduced to option A reduce the cost, option B increase the palatability, option C reduce the stool output and vomiting, option D increase the sodium content. The answer is option C reduce stool output and the vomiting. Next, which of the following is not true about ORS? It prevents the dehydration. Option B, it cures the diarrhea. Option C, it is cheap and easy use. Option D, it reduces the mortality. The answer is option B. It cures the diarrhea. It's not cures the diarrhea. It cures when the volume or the glucose and the sodium are decreased, then it will help to fulfill them. So the answer is option B. Next, which statement is correct regarding the ORS administration? Option A, ORS should be boiled before drinking. Option B, ORS should be freshly prepared and given frequently. Option C, ORS can be stored indefinitely after the preparation. Option D, ORS should be diluted with the milk. The answer is option B. ORS should be freshly prepared and given frequently. We have to finish the 24 hours. Next, if a child refuses to drink ORS, what should be the nurse do? Option A, force feed it. Option B, use IV fluids immediately. Option C, give with a spoon frequently and slowly. Option D, stop rehydration. The answer is option C, give with a spoon frequently and slowly. Next, ORS was developed and promoted during option A 1940, option B 1960, option C 1970, option D 1980. The answer is option B. In 1960 it was first developed and promoted. Next, ORS is considered one of the greatest medical innovations of the 20th century because it cures the infection. Option B, saves millions of lives from the dehydration. Option C, prevent the diarrhea. Option D, works like an antibiotic. The answer is option B. saves millions of the lives from the dehydration. It's not cures the infection, not prevent the diarrhea, and not working as a antibiotic. So the answer is option B. Thank you everyone. If you are liking our video, please like our video, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.